Saving your skin. Understanding a classic English phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the intriguing world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, to save one's skin. Idioms are a vital part of learning English, adding color and depth to the language. They can often seem puzzling at first, but don't worry, we're here to unravel the mystery together. Let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, to save one's skin, is an idiom that means to protect oneself from danger or trouble, often without concern for others. It's about ensuring your own safety or interests are secured first and foremost. This expression is commonly used in situations where someone is trying to avoid harm, punishment, or any unpleasant outcome. For example, if someone says, "He did everything to save his skin," it implies that the person took all possible measures to avoid negative consequences for themselves. Understanding where idioms come from can make them easier to remember. The expression, to save one's skin, likely originated from the basic human instinct to protect one's physical body from harm. The skin, in this phrase, symbolizes one's personal well-being or life. Historically, it reflects the idea of escaping physical danger, but over time, it has evolved to include avoiding trouble in a broader sense. The exact origins of this phrase are difficult to pinpoint, as with many idioms, but its use has been widespread in English for centuries. Now that you know what it means, let's put "to save one's skin" into action. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use this idiom in everyday conversation. During the investigation, he provided evidence against his coworkers to save his skin. This shows someone avoiding trouble by shifting blame onto others. In the face of the approaching storm, everyone did what they could to save their skin. Here, it's used more literally, with people taking action to protect themselves from physical danger. She agreed to the deal, thinking only to save her skin, not considering the long-term consequences. This example highlights self-preservation in a more abstract, possibly ethical or moral, dilemma. It's also important to note the cultural context of idioms. While "to save one's skin" is understood and used in many English-speaking countries, the way it's perceived can vary. In some contexts, saving one's skin might be seen as a smart or pragmatic choice. In others, it could be viewed negatively, as selfish or cowardly. Being aware of these nuances can help you use the phrase more effectively and appropriately depending on your audience. We hope this exploration of "to save one's skin" has shed some light on this colorful English idiom. Idioms like this one enrich your language skills and help you express yourself with greater depth and flair. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is not just understanding their meanings but also practicing them in context. So, don't hesitate to use "to save one's skin" in your next conversation when the opportunity arises. Thank you for joining us, and happy learning!